I'm Julie Boyson, and I'm with Sherwin Williams Aerospace, and I want to talk to you today about our aircraft color visualizer. It's a really simple way for designers, for paint shops, for plane owners to go in on our website and visualize and play with paint colors to see what they like. So here's a light jet, and so it's very simple. You can go down here and you've got a base color, and let's say I want it to be red overall because this is rather boring. So let's say I pick sangria red, and it'll change the overall color of the plane. And I would like maybe a dark accent, so I'll go over here and pick dark colors, and I'll just pick this sable brown. And you can even go over and pick metallics and pearls. So let's pick a nice silver to go on the plane. So once you've picked your various different colors, it's really cool, you can spin it and look at the plane from a variety of angles. And so let's say, well, that red's just a little too much for me. You can go in and just change it, and maybe I'll go a dark midnight metallic. It has two different designs per aircraft, so this happens to be a basic overall with a couple stripes, but I can switch design and go in, and it does more of a split base look for the customer. But it's not to replace the designer. We're just trying to give the customers a chance to play with color, figure out what they like, so then they can take it to a designer and paint shop and make the process go faster. One of the nice features with the aircraft visualizer is there's 6 different types of aircraft to pick from, anywhere from the kit plane all the way down to helicopter, even a heavy jet. So you can pick one of those. It has a preset design, play around with color, and then there's also a split base design that you can switch to. But it's all about giving you that experience with color. You can share it to social media, you can share a link and send it to your designer or paint shop as well. But it's a really fun, simple way. Our whole palette of colors is on there, and it's great for a lot of people to try out.